All right, it's Thanksgiving week, but turkey dries out faster than my patience during the holidays.
The chicken keeps it juicy.
If you are not a fan of turkey on Thanksgiving, why not go for the bird that is smaller, juicier, tastier? It doesn't take 6 hours to cook.
Tonight we're making fall cider barbecue chicken. It's chicken so good, it'll make you want to slap your mama.
This recipe has got apple cider vinegar, it's brown sugar, barbecue sauce, and the most important ingredient, the Musket Powder Brown Label, which makes any barbecue recipe slap your mama.
Ooh.
All right, now check out this brine. We're gonna show you step by step. This thing is taking forever again.
What do you want me to do with it?
Lick it.
Give that brine a nice little whisk. Add the brine to those chicken thighs and let them sit for 3 hours. Got that Musket Powder Brown Label. We got the smoker heated up to 250. About to throw these on in the pan for 1 hour.
The pig boss. Look at that goodness. Oh my god. And of course, the brown label mustard powder makes it pop every time. Aren't you forgetting something?
Cut.